In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide your computer to use the Chinese language settings, effortlessly easing your way into a bilingual setup on Windows. This will be particularly helpful if you're learning Chinese or need to type in both English and Chinese for your work or studies. So let's jump in and see how easy this really is. First things first, we need to access your Windows language settings. This could be done quickly by heading to your Windows Start menu and clicking on the Settings icon. Once you're in Settings, look for the Time and Language option and click on that. Here you'll find a section labeled Language. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Language section, you'll notice an option to add a language. This is your gateway to introducing Chinese into your computer's language arsenal. Go ahead and click on Add a Language. You'll be presented with a list of languages from around the world. Scroll or type in Chinese in the search bar, and when you spot it, simply select it and proceed to click on Install. Now, this installation part might take a moment or so, depending on your internet connection, as your computer needs to download and prepare the language pack. Now that your Chinese language pack is installed, it's time to switch things up with your keyboard. To change your keyboard language to Chinese, look towards the bottom right of your screen. You should see a small abbreviation like ENG, indicating the current language setting, right beside the network or internet icon. Click this and a menu will pop up showing the available languages. Select Chinese from the list, effectively switching your keyboard input to Chinese. Once you've selected Chinese, you're all set and ready to go. This switch is seamless and can be toggled back and forth as needed, making it highly convenient whether you're typing a document in English or practicing your Chinese characters. No need to worry if you're new to this. You can easily switch back by clicking the language indicator and selecting English again. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to adding and switching to the Chinese language on your Windows PC. Whether you're doing this for personal use, educational purposes, or business requirements, having multiple languages set up can greatly enhance your digital work experience. Enjoy your journey into bilingual computing, and remember, with practice, switching languages will become second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we explore more tech tips and tricks.